Here we are, back in the garage Sunday morning. Painted this bottom, let it dry overnight. So just give a little recap. Did all laminate yesterday. Looks pretty darn sharp. I'm pretty happy with it. So we're gonna try to just whittle away at the rest. We'll get the leg levelers and the wheels on the bottom. Coin door in, power supply, and all the rest electrical components. Hopefully get that monitor in. I still have to work on the bezel, but no, it's pretty awesome. It's getting there. Hopefully it's going to be done in the next few days. All right. Okay, here's a few things I'm going to get on today. Here's the wheels. There's two handles that go in the back. There's a control panel, latches and plate that goes on there to secure that control panel. Okay, let's get these wheels assembled. Okay, next, drill the holes that secure the coin door. There's 4 holes. I'm going to drill from the back. So I'm going to sandwich a piece of, actually I'm going to put a piece of tape on here, sandwich a board on there, and drill through so this laminate doesn't split and crack. Okay. It's a big deal here, but we're gonna do the T-molding. We have the T-molding. It's gonna go right in this groove here. Channel. Get my nuts out here. So I ordered this from arcadeshop.com, and it was recommended. This is for the Galaga. Especially, it has a leather look to it, and supposedly gave me the right width and the right quantity. So I sure hope it's long enough, because that would suck. Okay, so let's get this undone here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start on top here, work my way around. Just gonna temporarily put this in here just to see if I have enough. Yeah, it looks like they supplied enough. Awesome. Okay, good. I'm gonna do something first though. T-molding. Looks like it doesn't totally cover 100% in certain spots. This is pretty good. And near the top it doesn't. This edge is showing a little bit, and it shows a light edge. I'm just gonna use a marker. Basically a Sharpie. I'm just going to darken up that top edge, especially the edge of the laminate. But I'm going to do that. So an inside corner, mark where that corner is. And you cut out about a 45, because it'll just jam up. Well, that it allows room for that T-molding to go around that corner. Show you the trick. Take a piece of masking tape and put it on the burr. Make it a little thicker. gonna cut this off. There we go. Okay, T-molding's on. That side. Well, pretty damn good. Best that I can expect. Now I'm gonna stand it up. Actually gonna lay it down on the other side to the other T-molding. But very happy with it so far, right? Okay, that was a heck of a lot quicker, easier, actually looks better. I know when I did this curve on this side, I actually cut the burr a little bit, but actually it doesn't look as good because you can actually see where I cut it and there's a definite fold in the material. This is a lot better. The groove is a lot better. It just fit in without any issue having to tape it, so that's good. So I think I'm going to stand it up and start reassembling. This is awesome. All right. Cheers. You want to test the control panel? It's a little early, but wouldn't that be fun? Let's test it. We're back. Alright, shape of the car. Let's drop this baby in. That really look good. You guys didn't know this is how you latch the control panel. 3 latches and one on each side. And the top. Oh. That'll look good. Awesome. There we go. She's a tight fit. Oh, that looks pretty sweet. Oh yeah. That is awesome.